Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can use multiple switches with app shortcuts on Windows 10. For this video, I'm going to use Chrome as an example, and the two switches that I'm going to use are on your screen right now. The profile directory switch that you see is going to force Chrome to ask which profile I want to run it in when I open the app. And the force dark mode is a switch that's going to force the dark mode in Chrome. So to apply multiple switches, what you need to do is you need to first create a shortcut for the app, and I have a shortcut for Chrome right here. Right click it, select properties, and go to shortcut. And here you have this target field. In the target field, you have to add the two switches, one after the other, separated by one space. So I'm going to show you what it looks like in Notepad. This is the path to the exe file that the shortcut is for, and it's going to be added in the shortcuts target field by default. You don't need to add this. And this bit here is the first switch that I'm going to be using, and you can see that there's a space after it, and then the second switch. Make sure you get the format right, click apply, and then OK. And when you open the app with this switch, it's going to first ask me which profile I want to use, and after I select the profile, you can see that it opens in dark mode. When you're using multiple switches, you have to be careful that the two switches you're using are compatible with each other. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.